This is actually Jovi. We're gonna do it again. I'm gonna use my jackhammers. He's gonna flip over me. He's a Negro. Ninja, my bad. Anyway,
Don't forget he was flipping over you. I don't think he went.
Alright, whatever. Alright, see this all flip on? You did it?
I hate you.
You didn't do it?
I just jumped again.
Dude, you're like...
I didn't do it. You can check it on camera.
Okay, you wanna do it again?
I'm tired. Just really tired.
You did it! Did he flip?
You see what he did? You see what he did, Ashley?
He
Oh, what, you gonna cut that part out?
You meant that, yeah.
You gonna cut that part out?
Bitch.
Stomp them in the nuts, I'ma stomp them in the nuts. Stomp them in the nuts. Stomp them in the nuts. Stomp them in the nuts, I'ma stomp them in the nuts.